Yes. So this is Aditya Institute of Technology and Management Technically EC department. So let me know what is happening here, and some students are doing some work. I think based on observations, we can say it as the learning through practical, right? So see the coordinators of this department or this program is Mr. Dr. Kiran Patro. Right. Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Hi, sir.
And another coordinator is Ipili Jaya, madam. Yes, she is also another coordinator. And another coordinators of the non-teaching, technical coordinators are Ashok, programmer, and another coordinator is Lata Sri, and programmer is Vagdevi, madam. So, okay, it's a very well-defined team to deliver the practical through learning sessions. Let us know what is the program here, what is happening here, right? Sir, tell me about this program, sir. How the program is being handled by you, your team.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, this is for the second year BTech students.
Okay.
The program name is Build Your Own IoT.
Build your own IoT.
Yes,
Okay.
Build Your Own IoT.
Okay.
Especially for second year students.
Okay.
So here in this program, we planned for 4 sessions.
Right.
So the first one is the oral session. We already given the basics and everything information.
Okay.
The remaining 3 sessions will be the complete hands-on.
Okay.
Direct live projects.
Okay.
So now the students are doing.
Okay. So, shall you give any example? This is can we treat this program as learning through practical?
Yes, sir. It is. We planned actually it is a hands-on program.
Right.
We have components. We have IoT Center of Excellence.
Right.
So in that IoT Center of Excellence, we have different IoT boards, IoT sensors,
Okay.
and we already given information about IoT software and everything.
Right.
So already given the information to the students, and
Okay.
now the students are doing so.
Right.
So you can go and you can watch the.
Right, sir. Right. Thank you. Thanks for your information,
Thank
sir.
you,
So I think they have finished, it seems, program. The code is implemented. So where is your board? Physical board is, where is your physical board? Yes, they are doing a very excellent project. Even though it is, for their level, it is a low level program, low level concept, but the running is very different, and how they run based on the software coding, all are coming, they play a big role. Let us check how it is happened. Something is going on here. Yes, the students are very clever. That too EC department students, not only faculty, students are also very good. Have you finished the task? Okay, now it is okay. So, shall you clarify this is working? Because the common man, when you go and see the common man, they can't even understand the things what is going on here. So, can you explain very neatly, even a common man easily to understand what you are doing here?
Sir, this is just automatic street light using LDR sensor.
Yes.
We are observing in our real life, daytime also street lights are in on position.
Right.
So we use this project.
Right.
In daytime it absorbs the sunlight, and night time it automatically glow.
Right.
From this project we have to say that it is loose connections.
Yes, they are doing. Since it's not shouldering, so that's why it seems to be volatile. Right. Since it is a hands-on experience, okay, what their level of doing is understandable, and they can manage them, right? But finally they want to give a best outcome, but that is happening here also. Right. Something is glowing. Yes,
So,
right.
yeah, the sensor observing the does not observing the light.
Right.
So the LED was glowing. If we on the torch, it automatically off. It
Right,
automatically
right,
off. If we
Right.
does not on the torch, it bulb automatically glow.
Okay.
We understand that the sensor the observing the light. So observing the light, so it is offing.
Right, right.
If it does not observe the light, it will glow.
Right. It is very useful for the municipality department, and it's very useful for the municipal department because while they're doing the job, the moment morning, that means daytime is come, automatically we can usually see that the lights are going still on, but it's wastage of power. So by doing your suppose this project to the support to the municipality department, then they can easily understand, they can easily absorb, and also they can do efficiently their duties without any manual, right? So very well done, well done. Thank you. So here, yes, another project is also there. I think same concept is implementing the entire project. That means the traffic lights on and off based on the day and night time, right? It's well group, another group with the help of our faculty, Jaya madam, Dr. Jayalakshmi madam, sorry, Ikkuli Jaya madam.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So give a glance, madam. What is the program? Actually, we know, we already discussed with the students. So
So it's
from your
IoT
side.
training program, sir.
Okay.
We are implementing some of the projects
Okay.
like automatic street light it is.
Okay.
Okay, when light on, LED has to off. When
right.
there is no light, LED has to glow. Okay, that is the
Right.
process.
So very well done. So this is evidence in this department. They are running the projects are what they teach the things through practical session. Right? The students also very good. They seems to be very good. They are legendary students and also with legendary faculty. So this is what Department of EC conducting a workshop learning to IoT smart practical sessions.